going to start with the live target frog today. This lake is usually pretty clear. It's water's a little bit darker than I expected it to be today. Oh, what a terrible cast. Better. Oh, the drag was not set. So that always helps with the frog. Yeah. Well, dang. Blown opportunity. Hopefully. Let's try and follow it up with a sink. Let's throw it in there again, see what happens. Maybe we'll get lucky. I'll come after it again. If not, we'll try Senko. Hit it again. Dang. Not a good cast. There we go. All right. All right. This lake is not known for a lot of large bass, I think. Oh, geez, man. Calm down, calm down. Don't get in there, don't get in there. Rah. Chill, dude. Chill. Chill. Well, he's fiery. Feeling aggressive here, buddy? Thank you for biting. As I was saying, this lake is not known for its size. I think the Kansas Department of Wildlife lists the biggest bass out here about 2.5 pounds, which I've caught probably 3-pounders out here before, but it's more of a numbers lake, not a lot of real big ones, but that's okay. Still fun. And it's a lake not a whole lot of people know about, and not too far away from Kansas City. So, caught that guy on a 6-cent swim jig. That's bluegill color, and I've got a little biospawn paddle tail on there. Throwing this on a Shimano Corrado DC. Crankbait and see if I have any luck with it. This is a little wart. It's Missouri Craw is the color. Oh yeah. All right. All right. All right, buddy. Small guy, but again, this lake is not known for huge fish by any means. Ooh, that was almost right in that tree there. Notice he hit when I slowed down just a little bit. I do have a tendency to fish too fast. At least I think. Oh, there's another small one. But hey, we'll take it. I gotta set the drag on this guy. He's real little. Dink City. Ooh, he's got a messed up jaw. Sorry, buddy. Thanks for biting. This is the Wigglewort. I believe the color is Missouri Craw. Which we're Kansas, but we're right next to Missouri, so I guess it should work well, right? Another little one. Really little. I am surprised you can even get that in your mouth. Well, a little bit. Thanks for biting. Get a little bit bigger. Goofing up my frog. Oh man, I keep. There's the third one I've missed today. Let them take it. Too excited. Well, there's a bunch of lily pads over here. I'll hit them with the frog, and then it's going to be time to switch if that doesn't work. Well, apparently I should have made the switch a while ago. Another dank. That's okay. Breaks our breaks our dry spell there. One of those butterflies just flew into my reel as it was casting and caused a giant backlash. Thank you. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. There we go. Oh, he got off too. Man, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, there we go. Oh, nothing huge, but that might be the biggest of the day. Pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds. Nah, 1.5 pounds at most. But hey, we'll take it. There we go. Sorry about that. He's a nice color though. Not bad.